Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Pankaj Sharma, Dean Pharmacy, Apex University, Jaipur. I would like to welcome you all in Apex Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today I would like to share with you why you should select Apex Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences among all other pharmacy institutes. Whenever you are moving to get the admission in any of the pharmacy institute, you should focus on 4 points, 4F formula. First is faculties, second is facility, third is focus, and fourth is future. These 4 points are always valuable for you whenever you are going to select your institute for deciding your future. First is faculties. At Apex Institute, we are having very senior faculties, experienced faculties. Out of them, 5 are PhD faculties having more than 20 years of experience in the field of academics of pharmaceutical sciences. 13 faculties, we are having MPharm with more than 7 to 8 years of experience. They all are research-oriented academicians. As well as the research is concerned, we are having more than 200 research papers in our account in the field of pharmaceutical research, as well as all faculties dedication is concerned. All faculties are dedicated towards the service of students. They are having very good atmosphere and healthy environment in the department. They always ready to help the students. The usual timings of the institute for the faculties is 9 to 5, but for the student it is 9:30 to 2:30. The extra time for the faculties is for the help of students. Whenever any of the student is having any type of problem, it may be personal, it may be professional, they can come forward to the faculties. They are the mentors of the students. Whenever the student will come to the faculty, they always welcome the student with a smile and they try to solve the problem. Second is facility. Whenever you are opting any of the pharmacy institute, you should focus on the facilities of the college. As well as the facilities are concerned, we are having state-of-the-art laboratories where we are having ultra-modern instruments, because instruments are the things which make you enable how the drugs and medicines are developed in the institute. Because in future, you will move to pharmaceutical industries or research houses where you have to deal with all type of these instruments that we are having with us. All these instruments are from very good companies, and some of the instruments, highly sophisticated instruments from some of the good pharmaceutical industries who have developed our laboratories for the service of mankind. Third is focus. It is very important thing for the students because there are so many lines after the B.Pharm and D.Pharm courses. We are having diploma in pharmacy and degree in pharmacy courses, that is known as D.Pharm and B.Pharm course. D.Pharm is 2 years course and B.Pharm is 4-year course. After the diploma, we can move towards the dispensing pharmacy, community pharmacy. We can have our own medical store. We can start our own retail or wholesale pharmacy in the private sector or in government sector. Second is B.Pharm, Bachelor in Pharmacy. It is 4-year course where the student will come after 10+2, either by biology or with mathematics background. Both are eligible in this course. We have to decide the focus, means student has to decide their future, their focus, what they want to do after B.Pharm course. Because this is the only course where the candidate can select their future by their interest. Because there are so many lines which the student can choose after the B.Pharm, like academics, research, marketing. We can say in the simple way government jobs or private jobs, because in the government as well as in the private sector, we are having very good opportunities. Very good posts are coming in the government sector, very good pay scale is there, very good service conditions are there. There are so many medical pharmacies where the pharmacists are required in the government sector, central government as well as in the state government. After the B.Pharm course, you can opt the R&D, means research and development. Every pharmaceutical industry is having so many segments like marketing, research and development, formulation development, product development, and various transition factors like transporting and so many things where the B.Pharm student can opt. All the departments, all the segments are very charming, master paying, and we are having very good scope in all the departments. But a student has to decide where he or she is interested to move. Accordingly, they have to develop their self, and that's why I am saying that why the Apex is different from other institute, because we focus on the choice of a student. We make them different from other institutions students, like we start the grooming of the student like that, personality development from the start one. Like from the first year, we can start the grooming of the student other than the academics. To groom the student or to develop the personality development part, we provide the senior management faculties who develop our students in that way. As well as the academics are concerned, we initiate with the English. English is the basic subject which is required for the student in B.Pharm first year only, as well as the PCI curriculum is concerned. All the pharmaceutical institutions are required to move according to the PCI syllabus, Pharmacy Council of India's syllabus, which is decided by the Pharmacy Council of India. But at Apex Institute, other than this particular decided syllabus, we add some of the subject which makes our student different from other institutions, like English, personality development, addition of computer science, and the knowledge of field. This is the only institute where we develop our students in the clinical pharmacy way, where our students learn to develop their self in the clinical part. Clinical part means our student moves to the hospitals and pharmaceutical industries. We are having tie-up with so many pharmaceutical industries. The pharmaceutical industries which we have selected, they are involved in pharmaceutical development, research, marketing, and their clinical practices where different type of products are formulated. And this is the usual practice that our students move as well as their academic tours are concerned to the pharmaceutical industries. As well as the academic tie-up is concerned, very senior faculties, experts from the pharmaceutical industries, they regularly visit our institute and share their knowledge with the students of our own Apex Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, student as well as to the faculties. We exchange our ideas because the knowledge of books are very important thing in our life, but these books are the books which we have developed almost 30 to 40 years ago. And today's demand in the pharmaceutical industry is little bit different. This is the era of modern science, modern pharmaceutical science. Population is going on. Regularly, diseases are coming day by day in the new part, like corona and some other diseases. As well as the diseases are concerned, the requirement of medicines are going on in the very higher and higher side. When the medicines are required in the higher part, the requirement of pharmacist is coming out in the higher way, and so many pharmacists are required for next 5 to 10 years. That's why we are developing our students in the unique way so that they can opt the challenges, they can fight with the challenges, and they can come out with their winning part. Our students are coming out in different way. You can choose the pharmaceutical science among all other basic sciences, allied health sciences as your choice, because this is the only science where your scope is not limited. There are so many lines after the B.Pharm course which you can select as per your choice. If you want to be a good marketing senior person, you have to choose the marketing line after the B Farm. But if you want to choose the marketing line, you have to develop yourself, and we are here to groom you in that unique way so that you can develop yourself to be a successful marketing man. If your interest is in academics or the research and development, then definitely you should come with the knowledge. We are having more than 7,000 books in our library. Ultra modern library is there where you will find the books. You will find the national and international journals, e-journals and digital library facility for the service of our students. The library timings are from morning 8 to 8 p.m., which is the additional benefit to the students, where the student can find number of books and very good timings so that they can read there, they can enhance their knowledge. Other than the library, we are having additional facility of visiting pharmaceutical industries and hospital. That we are developing the clinical part in our students. No any other pharmaceutical institute is enhancing the knowledge in the clinical part or clinical way of the pharmaceutical students. But we have developed a new era in the field of pharmaceutical science, that we are sending our students to the hospitals, pathological laboratories, clinical practices and dispensing pharmacy. As well as the pharmaceutical industries are concerned, students are observing the real fact, the real development of pharmaceutical science, where the ultra modern facilities are there. Because when they see the facilities available in the pharmaceutical industries, they develop their knowledge according to the requirement. Once again, I would like to welcome you in the focus part and the future. Your future depends on your interest, your dedication in that line. You can decide your future on the basis of your interest at our own pharmaceutical science department, which is Apex Institute of Pharmaceutical Science. We are here to help you. We are here to make your future as per your interest. And definitely, I can make you sure that with the Apex Institute of Pharmaceutical Science, you will develop your future in the different way. Best of luck. All the best. Thank you very much.